How to fix the TikTok live minimum age requirement. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to go live on TikTok because of the minimum age restriction? Do not worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it. So first and foremost, head over to your TikTok application. TikTok requires users to be at least 16 years old to go live. If your age was incorrectly entered during the sign up, here is how you can fix it. Head over to settings and privacy and report a problem. Then after, tap on account and profile and then tap on editing profile. Tapping on it should take you to another page from where you have to select on others. Once that is done, it will give you a list of suggestions. Instead, tap on need more help button which is at the bottom of the page. This way, you can now describe your issue along with attaching a government issued ID as a proof of your correct age. Now, once that is done, make sure that your account follows all TikTok community guidelines, especially when you create live content. Even if you meet the age requirement, violating rules could block your access. Age verification might take a few days, so you will have to wait until TikTok reviews your request and notify when it is resolved. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.